With the access at the rear of the fountain, start by extracting the light cords and the silicone tubing from inside the basin. Securely connect the light cords to the corresponding outputs that are attached to the pump. Attach the tubing securely to the output of the pump, and note the flow control at the front of the pump. We recommend setting it to full strength. Make sure they're properly seated to the O-ring and the caps are tightened firmly. Carefully place the light cords and the pump back inside the fountain. Add the access door as shown. The premium lighting is installed with a secure grommet, which makes them easily removable for maintenance or replaceable if the need arises. This fountain is an ideal size for patio or deck, standing at 22 inches in height.